Greetings, esteemed viewers, and welcome to Smart Kitchen channel. Today I embark on an informative journey to unveil the top 5 robot vacuums that effortlessly blend affordability with exceptional performance, catering to your cleaning needs without breaking the bank. Throughout this comprehensive video, we'll delve into the unique characteristics of each robot vacuum, encompassing suction power, battery life, cleaning prowess, and an array of innovative features. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make an informed decision that aligns perfectly with your cleaning requirements. Number 1. iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum, a versatile performer. The iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum emerges as a versatile contender, adeptly tackling pet hair, carpets, and hard floors. Its Wi-Fi connectivity grants seamless control from your smartphone or tablet, while personalized cleaning recommendations tailored to your usage habits optimize its performance. With its dual-action cleaning system, the Roomba 694 employs 2 rotating brushes to thoroughly capture dirt, dust, and debris from both carpets and hard floors. Its suction power is particularly effective at removing pet hair, making it an ideal choice for pet owners. Number 2. ZCWA CA-BR151-BE Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a dual-threat champion. The ZCWA CA-BR151-BE emerges as a dual-threat champion, seamlessly transitioning from vacuuming to mopping. Its dual functionality ensures that your floors are not only free of dust and debris, but also sparkling clean. The 230 ml water tank provides ample capacity for mopping, while the microfiber mop pad effectively removes dirt and grime. The ZCWA CA-BR151-BE is also compatible with Alexa and Wi-Fi, allowing you to control its operation from the comfort of your smartphone or tablet. Number 3. Lefant M210 Robot Vacuum, Power and Versatility in Harmony. The Lefant M210 Robot Vacuum embody a harmonious blend of power and versatility. Their 2,200 pascals suction power effortlessly eliminates debris, ensuring that your floors are thoroughly cleaned. The Lefant M210 robot vacuums also offer 6 cleaning modes, providing you with the flexibility to customize their performance based on your specific needs. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, hard floors, or carpets, the Lefant M210 robot vacuums can handle it all. Number 4. Eufy Boost IQ RoboVac 11S, Unparalleled Thinness and Strength. The Eufy Boost IQ RoboVac 11S redefines expectations with its unparalleled thinness and unwavering strength. Its super-thin design effortlessly navigates under furniture, reaching those hard-to-reach areas where dirt and dust often accumulate. Despite its slim profile, the Eufy Boost IQ RoboVac 11S packs a powerful punch with its super-strong suction, effectively tackling even the most stubborn dirt and debris. Its quiet operation ensures that you can enjoy a clean home without disturbing your peace. Number 5. Onature G20 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop, Extended Runtime and Enhanced Capabilities. The Onature G20 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop stands out with its extended runtime of 180 minutes, ensuring thorough cleaning even in spacious homes. This extended runtime allows the Onature G20 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop to tackle larger spaces without needing to recharge, making it an ideal choice for those with larger homes or multiple floors to clean. Its 4,500 PA suction power effectively tackles all types of flooring, from hard floors to carpets, ensuring that your entire home is impeccably clean. These 5 robot vacuums represent a curated collection designed to address your cleaning needs without compromising affordability. Each robot vacuum offers a unique combination of features, ensuring that you find the perfect fit for your home. Whether you prioritize pet hair removal, versatile functionality, or extended runtime, these exceptional vacuums are poised to transform your cleaning experience. Thank you for joining me on this journey of robotic vacuum exploration. If any questions arise, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.